The night sky shimmered. Millions of stars twinkled like eyes they watched. They whispered secrets, ancient secrets of the cosmos. Planetary alignment, a rare cosmic event. Planets align. A straight line forms. From the sun outwards, it happens over millennia. The planets shift. Slowly they move into perfect alignment, a celestial dance. Professor Asteria Stargazer adjusted her spectacles. She peered through her telescope. Her heart pounded. Excitement surged. Tonight was the night of the alignment, a once-in-a-lifetime event. She had waited for this moment. Her assistants, the bumbling but lovable twins, Cosmo and Comet, fidgeted nervously. They checked their equipment twice. They didn't want to miss a thing. The air crackled with anticipation. The room hummed with energy. Something big was about to happen. They could feel it. Legend spoke of the prophecy of perihelion, the alignment at the closest point to the sun. A time of great change, a time of upheaval. Some believed it brought good fortune, others feared its power. The unknown remained, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Professor Stargazer held her breath, her gaze fixed on the telescope. The planets were aligning, right before her eyes. One by one they fell into place, like pearls on a string, a cosmic masterpiece, a celestial ballet. The ancient texts had foretold this moment, a rare celestial event that only occurred once every 1,000 years. The prophecy spoke of a time when the heavens would reveal secrets long hidden from humanity. As the planets moved into their destined positions, the air seemed to hum with energy. Stargazer's heart raced with anticipation. Would this alignment bring enlightenment or chaos? The world watched with bated breath, united in their wonder and trepidation. The sky, a canvas of cosmic artistry, held the answers. The prophecy of perihelion was not just an astronomical event, it was a harbinger of destiny. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, was about to unveil a new chapter in the story of existence. And so the world waited, eyes turned skyward for the prophecy to unfold. Section 4, the night of the alignment. This was a night unlike any other, a night where the cosmos itself seemed to hold its breath in anticipation. The clock ticked past midnight. Each second felt like an eternity, the air thick with suspense. The alignment reached its peak, stars twinkled brighter, and the planets moved into a perfect formation. The planets formed a perfect line, an arrow pointing to the heavens. The air grew heavy as if the universe was about to reveal a great secret. A low hum vibrated through the observatory. The equipment began to shake, resonating with the cosmic energy. The ground trembled beneath their feet. It was as if the very earth was responding to the celestial event. Cosmo and Comet clung to each other, their eyes wide with fear. They had never experienced anything like this before. Professor Stargazer remained calm, her gaze fixed on the spectacle. She had studied the stars for years, and this was the moment she had been waiting for. Suddenly, a blinding light engulfed the room. It was so intense that it seemed to erase the boundaries of the space they were in. A shockwave threw them back. Silence descended. The light faded, leaving them in awe and wonder. The night of the alignment had changed everything. Section 5. A cosmic joke? Professor Stargazer slowly got to her feet. She blinked. Her eyes adjusted. The observatory was gone. They were outside. The familiar walls and instruments had vanished, replaced by an open expanse that felt both alien and unsettling. She took a deep breath, trying to steady herself. Cosmo and Comet looked around in bewilderment. Their eyes darted from one unfamiliar sight to another, trying to make sense of their new surroundings. The air felt different, almost too clean, too pure. They were standing on a small patch of grass, surrounded by an infinite white void. "What happened?" stammered Cosmo. His voice echoed strangely, as if the void itself was mocking their confusion. "Where are we?" Comet's voice trembled. She clutched her arms, trying to find some comfort in the midst of the surreal landscape. Her mind raced with questions and fears. Professor Stargazer shook her head. She had no answers. The situation was beyond her understanding, and the weight of their predicament pressed heavily on her shoulders. She glanced up at the sky. The planets were gone. The vast expanse above them was empty, devoid of the celestial bodies that once filled it with wonder and mystery. All that remained was a single twinkling star. It shone brightly, a lone beacon in the emptiness, as if it held the secrets of the universe within its light. It seemed to wink at her, as if to say, "Just kidding." The star's playful glimmer brought a momentary sense of relief, a hint that perhaps all was not lost, and that the universe still had a sense of humor.